Welcome back, class, to Microsoft Access 2007 for Beginners. There's your URL again. Let's get right into this, shall we? When last we met, we were entering the information in the datasheet view, in the design view. And I went ahead and entered in the rest of the information. As you can see, it starts up here with the email address as our key, and it works its way down through the information. The next step is to go ahead and click on View, because it will save it. It will ask you, do you want to save the table first? You will respond yes, which takes us here. This is all the info. These are the field names that we designated. You'll see email address, first name, last name, street address, etc. All that's left to do now is enter in the information from the student workbook. Once you've entered in the information from the student workbook, all that's necessary to do is go ahead and save it. As I have mentioned, all of this information is in the student workbook. You will find that on page 9, it starts with the names. And you will see that we enter in the email address. And you have to be very careful when you're keying. You don't want to enter in the wrong email address. Some email addresses are case sensitive. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in one line, which this one is jkim5624@aol.com. And you'll see you can't see everything as you're typing across it. But if you come back over here, you can scroll through it and see if you've made a mistake, as I did here, on purpose though. So you can go ahead and see that you can edit if necessary. The next one is the first name, which is Jung. And then last name, Kim. And now I've started capitalization. You'll see that I've capitalized first and last names. I'll now enter in the street address, 12 North 1st Avenue. And that's in Jacksonville, Mississippi. And then the customer's phone number. And you just keep entering in the information. It's very simple. There's no reason to be flustered or anything. It's just this simple. You enter in the information, hit enter, you go to the date of birth, put in the customer's date of birth. Very simple. You just hit enter. And there is our first record. The entire horizontal bar, this line that we're on right now that I'm going to highlight, this is a completed record. When you get done, you could have 10, 100, you could have thousands of records within this database. Keep in mind that because this was your first database, I did not have you capitalize the field names across the top here, because I'm going to tell you, in business, all of these fields would be capitalized, every single one of them. But because it was the first one, I went ahead and I just wanted to show you how to get into the environment. Now I'm coming to this column right here. Right, and you can see that you have text filters that will allow you to select all. And this helps you when you're sorting your information, and there'll be more on this later. But for right now, all it's necessary to do is to keep filling in these records. All this information is found in your student workbook. And again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call me or drop me an email. Have a great day.